by acknowledging that we're meeting on the land of the Indigenous people. This is Aboriginal land, always has been, always will be. This is also public land, land that was purchased using our tax money, our parents' tax money, our grandparents' tax money. Land that was purchased for a public purpose. Land that was purchased so that everybody could have access to high quality health care. People on the North Shore, people throughout Sydney, people throughout New South Wales. This was land that was purchased for a public hospital to provide for the community of New South Wales. It was not land that was purchased so the government can make $64 million profit. It was not land that was purchased so that a private operator can come in here and build healthcare, which is far more expensive than build childcare. It's far more expensive than the childcare that's provided publicly here. It was not land that was purchased so it could be handed over to the private sector for 99 years or longer. It was land that was purchased so that when the current development of Royal North Shore reaches its use-by date, a new hospital can be built with new facilities. So that this hospital doesn't just serve us and our children, but our grandchildren and their children. So that this hospital serves public, not now, not in the future, but for all time. It was land that operated under a promise from Gillian Skinner, a promise that she would be different to her predecessors, a promise that she would see this land as a public asset. She would not engage in the 30% land sale that the previous government engaged in, but she would engage in consultation with the community and consultation with the clinical staff. Well, that was a joke, a sick joke. Minister Skinner didn't even tell her consultative group that this is what she had in mind. The first that the clinicians knew of the proposal to lease out or sell off the southern campus was when they saw the expressions of interest. They were treated with complete disrespect, just as the community was treated with disrespect. It is inadequate and hopeless that a minister who is elected saying, "I'm going to be different," is exactly as bad as her predecessors. Gillian Skinner, you promised. Gillian Skinner, you are not delivering. Gillian Skinner, the people of the North Shore, the people of New South Wales have one message for you. Back down. Keep this block in public hands.
Keep Royal North Shore in public hands.
Keep Royal North Shore in public hands.
Save our land. Keep your promise. Keep your promise, Julia Skinner. Come on, it's public land. We own it. Keep it. Save it. We love Royal North Shore Hospital. Save our land. Save our land. Come on, everybody. Get with it. Save our land.
Save our land. Save our land. Save our land. Save our land.
Come on, we love it. We love Royal North Shore Hospital.